Okay guys, this is Future Gina. I just popped in to tell you this video is a bust. My meatloaf didn't stick together. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. So if you watch it, please tell me in the comments what I'm doing. I have been trying to make meatloaf for 30 years. I can't do it. So please, if you know what I'm doing wrong, please let me know. Kindly. Thanks. Welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Gina, and today I am going to make for you a meatloaf. And I have a secret to tell you. I've been married for 30 years, and I cannot make meatloaf. My meatloaf falls apart. It's got a very good flavor, but when I put it on the plate, it looks like baked sloppy joes. So I'm trying a new recipe today, and I hope it turns out good. We'll see. So maybe my husband, after 30 years, can finally have a meatloaf sandwich. So let's get started. I got my 2 pounds of ground beef, and to that I'm going to add 2 eggs, but I'm going to just mix them up just a little bit. Set that aside, and then we need a pack of crackers or oats, whatever you prefer, but I'm going to use crackers. And then a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of pepper. 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Half a cup of milk. And a small onion diced. And then I'm going to wash my hands real quick, and we're just going to use our hands and just mix it all together, trying not to overmix. Over the years, I have asked people, how do you make your meatloaf? Some say you got to mix it real good. Others say just barely mix it. Don't overmix it. So, maybe you can tell me what I've been doing wrong for the last 30 years. Okay, now in a 9x13 pan, I'm just going to kind of make it into a loaf in here. So let me point you back down. And get it as tight as you can. That's what the recipe said. I'm gonna wash my hands, clean up this little mess, and then we'll make the glaze. Okay, I got the glaze ready. You need 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of mustard, and 1/3 cup of ketchup. So we're gonna mix that together. Bring this over. And then just cover it. And it's okay if it runs over. Just give you more yumminess. And then you put this in a 350 preheated oven for an hour. And they said let it rest before you cut it in, about 10 to 15 minutes. And I think that may be my problem, because usually as soon as it comes out of the oven, I serve it up for supper. So I'm going to let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes, and we're going to see how that turns out. And then here's what it looks like. It looks really good. And my oven is preheated at 350, and I'm going to put it in there for an hour. So we'll see how it turns out. I'm excited. I told Brian we was having meatloaf for supper, and I said, are you excited? He said, let's just wait and see. So hopefully this turns out. So I'll let you know. Here it is right out of the oven. Now I gotta let it set for about 10 minutes. Fingers crossed. Okay, there's what it looks like. It still didn't stick together for me very well. I don't know what. Please drop in comments what I'm doing wrong. Well, I'm still going to post this video. Maybe somebody out there will please tell me what I'm doing wrong. I went by the recipe. I let it set for 10-15 minutes and it's still not sticking together. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Please help. Thanks for stopping by and I hope to see you soon.